guys, welcome back to All Things Nawni, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. Today I'm back with an unboxing, which I don't know how happy I am about having to do this unboxing. I got something in that's kind of new. I'm gonna unbox it and then I will explain the situation and why it is that I am unboxing this. All right, so this is a true unboxing. Haven't opened it. Although it is something that I have seen before. So let's get into it. Of course, I can't like all the way open. So as I'm sure you'll see in the title, it is a piece from Cartier. And I'm not too thrilled about having to do this, but here we are. So just got the information. What is this? Oh, it's the card I wrote to myself because I put that it was a gift, of course. And it says, "Give yourself grace," which I will explain why I said that to myself once I open it and show you what I have. What else is in here? So we've got the receipt, and then the return and exchange form. I've never seen this before. Actually, I feel like any of the other Cartier pieces that I have, I've never received this with it, I don't think. There's something else in here. Oh, the certificate of ownership, I guess. It has like the serial number and all that comes with all of the Cartier pieces. The date and the number for the piece, and a little bit of information on like what it actually is, which I'll explain now. There we are. So it comes with the bag. Oh, nothing's in this bag. It's just the bag for you to have. Oh, because I ordered this online. I didn't go into the store. I ordered this online. Paper, hard to get in here. And then we've got our wrapping. I feel like this is pretty boring because I'm not telling you the story yet, but once I open it, I'll explain. Let me do it like this. All right. It's wrapped so tightly. Here's the box. What do I have here? So this is the Cartier Trinity cord bracelet. Hopefully you can see that well. It's got this little Cartier like tag. Oh, there it is. And I know what you're thinking. If you are a subscriber or you've watched any of my other videos, you will know that I already had this bracelet. Keyword is had this bracelet. I lost it. So I ordered another one. I've been beating myself up for months because I lost the first bracelet that I bought in 2021. It was the first, along with the love ring. They were my first two Cartier pieces. My first time going into the store, making a purchase. Never thought, you know, it'd be something that I would be buying. I was so excited to have it. I even had looked at other bracelets, but they all were just out of my budget. As many of you know, if you shop Cartier, you know that the Trinity cord bracelet is one of the, I think it might be the cheapest piece of jewelry that they sell in the store, if I'm not mistaken. And so at the time, I never thought that I would be able to afford any of the other more expensive bracelets. And so I was like, let me start here. And, you know, maybe one day I'll be fortunate enough to work my way up to get other pieces. So how did I lose the bracelet? So like I said, I've had it since September of 2021. I would take it off and on. It wasn't something that I wore every day. I wore it quite often, but not every day. But back in May, I think I wore it to work one day. And as far as I can recollect, I came home, took it off, and haven't seen it since. I'm pretty good about any of my jewelry that I take on and off. I put it back in the box that it came in. And so that's what I would usually do with my Trinity cord bracelet. It wasn't there. I searched everywhere. Like, I was devastated and sick. I was so upset with myself because I'm pretty organized. So I've never lost anything, especially like something that was valuable like that. And so I was just so upset. I was lifting up mattresses, looking in my room, my kids' room, looked at work. I'm emailing people like, has anyone turned in a bracelet in the lost and found? Of course not, because I was like, maybe I took it off of work. Like, I literally cannot remember what I did with it, but I was like, maybe I took it off at work. So then I was like checking at work, nobody had seen it. And any of my friends and family who watch my channel, they've already heard this story and know how upset I've been about losing something of value. I mean, I literally even went through my trash. Like, I put on gloves, went into our big trash cans, emptied the trash bags, thinking maybe I threw it away, but I could not find it. Searched my car, anywhere that I could think of. I have not been able to find this bracelet for months. And I told myself, once I came to the realization that maybe it's gone for good, my husband was like, if it's like bothering that much, just buy another one. And I was like, I'm not gonna buy another one because I don't necessarily need it. Obviously now I have the love bracelet and the Just on Clue, so you know, I don't need the Trinity cord bracelet. So I told myself I wasn't gonna replace it. Like, I wasn't gonna buy it. And then the other day I was watching some of my older YouTube videos, which I rarely do, but I just watched some of them and I saw myself wearing the bracelet multiple times. And one video that stuck out to me in particular was when I was doing an unboxing and I had the cord bracelet on and the cord had been changed in London. And so I was like, oh my gosh, like that's when I had it. It was green and I got that cord changed when we were on our London trip, because that was something that was like important to me about the bracelet. I would get the cord changed anytime we went on a trip and there was a Cartier store at that location where we were. I would usually go in and get the cord changed just as like something to remember the trip by, wearing that until I went on the next trip or went to the next place that had a Cartier and got it changed. And so it just made me so sad just thinking about the memories that I had with it. If many of you don't know about the bracelet, so Cartier will change the cord at any of the locations in the store, so you can change, there's an array of colors that you can change it to. So that was just something that was important to me, and I was just like, I'm ordering it. I want it back because I'm going on some upcoming trips and I want to be able to go in and get the bracelet or get the cord changed. I don't think I've ever actually worn it with black. The first time I bought it, I got the red cord put on immediately, and so I don't think I've ever worn it with black. It looks so pretty. I'm glad that I got it again. So it's 3 rings, which is the Trinity. It's a rose gold ring, and I feel like this is not focusing, but it's a rose gold ring, a yellow gold ring, and a white gold ring. It just actually looks really pretty. And I told myself, if the one that I lost ever turns up, I'm just gonna give it to my daughter. That had been my plan anyways. Eventually, like, I wanted to get her one as well. One time I was in Cartier and a mother and daughter were in there and they both had this bracelet and they were getting the cords changed like to match each other. And I just thought that was so sweet. And so I was like, oh, when my daughter gets older, that's something that I would want to do with her. So hopefully I won't have to buy another one and the one that I lost will actually turn up at some point. Back in September of 2021, when I bought my initial bracelet, it cost $610. I remember I even looked at the love bracelet that is on, it's a link. So that was obviously cheaper than the actual solid gold love bracelet, like, you know, this one or the bigger one that they have. So I think it was like $1,000 and something. And I was like, no, I can't afford that. So this was like half of what the price of that was. So I was like, I'll just get the cord bracelet. So it was $610. Ordering this new one in 2023, it's $750. So the price has increased. That sort of deterred me from buying it, because it was just like, you paid $610 for it and now you're paying $750 for the same thing. I'm disappointed in myself, but you know, if it's something that I want, then you know, I have to do what I have to do. I was praying that the one that I lost showed up, but I have not seen it yet. It's the stupidest thing that I feel like I've ever done. But anyway, let me show you some details. So you can adjust the bracelet, of course, so that it fits tighter by just doing this here. And it's usually just one side that does that. So I'll put it on, and I do struggle sometimes getting on. I'm putting this on right here and now, and I'm not taking it off. I'm gonna shower with it. I'm just not taking it off. I do not want to lose it again. Not even yet. I try to make both sides pretty even. Here's just to give you an idea of what it looks like on. So this is the small model. It's 18 karat white gold, 18 karat rose gold, and 18 karat yellow gold. You can, you know, change the cords anytime you go into a Cartier store. They're usually pretty quick. The closest store to where I live is in like a mall, and so usually I can drop it off. They'll like, you know, tell me like it'll take an hour or so, or sometimes it can be quicker depending on how busy they are. And so they'll take it in the back, change it, and usually if you're not waiting for it there, they'll text you and tell you when it's ready to come back and pick up. I'm just super disappointed that I lost the original one that I had and had to buy it again, but hopefully something good will come back to me. I don't know. That's stupid. I don't know. Just whatever. And if somebody does have it, and if you stole it from me, then bad things will happen to you. So that's on you. Karma is a you know what. So if you stole my bracelet, you're out of pocket. But I don't think anybody stole it. I probably did lose it, because like I don't have anybody in my life that would steal from me. But it like literally drove me crazy because I could not figure out what I did with it. Anyway, that is it, guys. I feel like this was like a pretty boring, pretty quick video, but hopefully you enjoyed it. I hope everybody is doing well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.